animal behavior. We see different kinds of animals around us. These animals live in our house, farm, and zoo. They live in captivity. They can neither move freely nor act on their own. A large number of animals live in forests, oceans, and on mountains. They can move freely there. These animals show some special behaviors that help them to survive in their natural shelters. Let us learn about special behaviors of some animals. Animals in groups. Some animals live in groups. They live in groups for various reasons. Deer, elephants, monkeys, zebras, etc. live in groups to protect themselves from predators. They keep watch from every direction. They go in search for food and water together. They also get warmth from each other's body. Besides, they raise their young ones easily in a group. A troop of monkeys. Some animals like wolves, hound, hyena, etc. also live in groups. A group of wolves is called a pack. They hunt animals in groups. Before hunting, they choose an animal and make a circle around it so that it could not escape. They also protect themselves from large predators like tiger, lion, etc. A group of lions is called a pride. A group of lions attacking an animal. Many small fish also live in groups to protect themselves from large water animals. A group of fish is called a shoal. A shoal of fish. Honeybees live in groups in a beehive. They collect nectar from the flowers together. In a beehive, the bees divide the work amongst themselves. For example, worker bees collect the nectar from flowers and drones protect the hives from the enemies. The queen bee lays the eggs. The bees are therefore sometimes called the social insects. A beehive. Ants also live in groups. They live in colonies. They dig deep into the soil and make tall anthills. Ant colonies consist of males, workers, and queens. The queen ant lay eggs which are protected by the worker. The workers also protect the ant colony from enemy. Like ants, termites also live in colonies. They make tall mounds with the help of mud. Ants and termites are also social insects. Peculiar behavior or special behavior. Some animals like rabbits, squirrels, and snakes are shy by nature. They do not come near human beings. They move away when they see a human being. However, we can make them our friends by feeding them. Rabbit is a shy animal. Some animals like bulls, dogs, and buffaloes live with us. They do not get scared when they see human beings. But they can attack you if you tease them. You should love them and take care of them. Know more. Okapi, a kind of giraffe, is the shyest animal in the world. It is found in the grasslands of Africa. Cooperation. Some animals help each other. Birds like egrets sit on the bodies of big animals and eat insects clinging to the back of these animals. Similarly, a bird known as plover eats the flesh stuck to the teeth of crocodiles. In this way, it gets food as well as clean the teeth of the crocodile. Monkeys pick insects from the body of other monkeys to keep the body clean. Hiding. Some animals hide to protect themselves from predators. Rabbits, snakes, rats, etc. hide themselves in their burrow. Turtles hide themselves under their shells. No more. Cleaner fish go inside a shark's mouth are eating pests and dead skin. Camouflage. Camouflage is the characteristic of an animal to blend itself with its surroundings, making it hard to see them. Polar bears have white fur, making them hard to spot in the snow. Octopus, chameleon, and squid can change their color to blend in with the new surroundings. Scaring enemies. Some animals try to scare their enemies by making themselves look fierce. For example, when a frilled lizard sees the danger, it opens up its frill to look more dangerous. To put off attackers, it can puff up its frills to make itself look 3 or 4 times bigger. Venom animals or poisonous animals. Some animals release poison or foul liquid to keep their attackers away. Skunks give off foul smells. A spitting cobra squirts venom onto its attacker's eyes. It blinds the attackers. Similarly, horned lizards can squirt a jet of blood from their eyes as far as 1 meter to put off the attackers. Points to remember. Animals live in different ways. Some animals live in groups. Some animals are shy by nature. Some animals cooperate with each other. Some animals change their color according to the surroundings. This feature is called camouflage. Some animals make themselves look dangerous to frighten their enemies.